Perforated stainless steel. Applications, properties, and considerations. This video will give a detailed discussion on stainless steel perforated sheets. Here's what you'll learn in this video. Perforated steel sheets. What they are, their characteristics and properties, and considerations in choosing them. How stainless steel perforated are made. Types of stainless steel perforated sheets. End products of stainless steel perforated sheets. Industries using stainless steel perforated sheets. Applications and advantages of stainless steel perforated sheets, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding perforated steel sheets. Their characteristics, properties, and important selection criteria. Key considerations for selecting perforated steel sheets. Application. Material. Many suppliers offer options, but some of the most common materials used include hole sizes, customized perforated sheets, the manufacturing process of perforated steel sheets. Chapter 2. How stainless steel perforated sheets are made. Stainless steel sheet selection. Deciding on a pattern. Hole sizing. Processes of steel sheet production. Press for perforating. Press punch XY axis. Laser piercing. Plasma puncturing. Water jet cutting. Nibbling device. Leveling. Value-added methods. Welding. Bending. Powder coating. Choosing the right perforated stainless steel sheet for your project. Chapter 3. What are the leading stainless steel perforating machines? Trump True Punch 3000 series. Manufacturer, Trump. Amada AE2510NT series. Manufacturer, Amada. FinPower C5 series. Manufacturer, FinPower, now Prima Power. Murata Motorum 2048EZ. Manufacturer, Murata Machinery. LVD Strip-It PX series. Manufacturer, LVD Company. Frequently asked questions. What are the main uses of perforated stainless steel sheets? How do you select the right perforated steel sheet for a project? Which manufacturing methods are used for perforating steel sheets? What value-added services can enhance perforated steel sheets? Which advanced perforating machines are popular in the United States and Canada? How does hole size affect the structure of a perforated steel sheet? Chapter 4. What are the types of stainless steel perforated sheets? Steel sheets with round perforations. Steel sheets with square hole perforations. Slotted steel sheets with perforations. Steel sheets with decorative perforations. Hexagonal steel sheets with holes. Type 304 stainless steel sheet. Tubing with holes. Perforated stainless steel panels. Chapter 5. What are the end products made from stainless steel perforated sheets? Filtration systems. Speaker grills. Grain dryers. Stainless steel perforated sheets as gutter guards. Illumination panels. Stainless steel perforated sheets as doors. Stainless steel perforated sheets as fencing. Sunshades. Electronic enclosures. Guards for handrails. Chapter 6. Which industries use stainless steel perforated sheets? Agriculture. Appliances. Production of food. Cleaning. Automotive. Shop fittings. Health and medical sector. HVAC. Industry. Chemical sector. Construction. Branding. Chapter 7. What are the applications and advantages of stainless steel perforated sheets? Applications for stainless steel perforated sheets. Advantages of stainless steel perforated sheets. Sound cancellation. Ventilation. Enduring impact. Security. Environmental friendly. Production radiation protection. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right perforated stainless steel manufacturer for your needs.